Hello everyone, welcome to Innovative Science Activities using LABOXD Science Kit. Today's activity is test the presence of starch in food items. Starch is a type of carbohydrate. Iodine solution is used to test the presence of starch in food items. Iodine is a yellowish-brown liquid. When 2 or 3 drops of iodine are added to the food item to be checked, it forms a blue-black color if starch is present in it. If it does not contain starch, the color remains yellowish-brown. Take 3 paper cups. We have used watch glasses so that we can observe the change in color clearly. Take a potato piece in one watch glass. Salt, iodine solution, rice powder. Put some rice powder on the watch glass. Now, in another watch glass, add some salt. Now, take iodine solution. Add 4 to 5 drops to each item. Observe the change in color. Potato changes to blue-black. Rice powder changes to blue-black. In the case of salt, there is no change in color. Iodine is yellowish-brown in color. Compare the colors. Potato contains starch. Rice contains starch. Salt does not contain starch. I hope you enjoyed watching today's experiment. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to watch more such experiments.